We just moved into a house with a pool and we immediately started building a new setup around it, including this high-end 75-inch outdoor TV that works both during bright sunshine and rain. Is it a bad idea or just right? So yes, as you've probably seen if you watched our recent videos, we just moved into our new, bigger and better house. We're in the middle of moving our stuff out of the old house, renovating the space, and rebuilding all of our setups. Needless to say, we are working tirelessly to finish as many rooms and setups as possible, all while prepping our old house for sale. There's still a lot of work to be done, but for now, we have a pretty good base of setups. The inside of the house isn't all we've been working on though, as the house also came with a gorgeous backyard with a pool. The pool honestly feels like a massive luxury, not only because it'll let us cool off during the summer, but also because it's incredibly peaceful just sitting by it and the surrounding greenery. We got plenty of seating here too, from sunbeds by the pool, to a dining table, and also lounge chairs. We of course had to bring over our outdoor TV too, because what outdoor setup is complete without it? That's actually what I wanted to focus on in today's video, as Sylvox is currently having a summer sale. Thank you to Sylvox for sending us this outdoor TV and sponsoring today's video. The TV we have out here is the Sylvox Frameless Pro, which we absolutely love. It's been extra useful in the past few days since we've been watching a lot of World Cup games out here, as well as movies and TV shows with our family. It's a great place to be when the weather is nice and warm, without having to sacrifice the screen quality due to the bright sun, or having to go inside instead of enjoying the nice weather. Now, outdoor TVs can get pretty pricey, mostly due to the high-end tech they use to increase the brightness and contrast, as well as the weatherproofing casing used to allow them to stay outdoors in extremely hot, cold, and rainy weather. As I mentioned though, Sylvox is currently having a summer sale, which is why now is the perfect time to look into buying one for yourself if you want to take your backyard setup to the next level for the summer. Before we get into the details, please make sure to look into other brands and models for outdoor TVs as well before making any final decisions, to make sure you get the best deal for what you're looking for. That said, the current Sylvox summer deals are pretty good, with up to 20% off or up to $515 off 2 of their models. The Deck 3.0, which is a more budget-friendly version, and the Pool Pro 3.0, which is the newer model of the previous outdoor TV we had, the Pool Pro 2.0. They both have sizes ranging from 43 inches to 75 inches to fit your space. We currently have a 75-inch model for reference, which we think is a great size for our outdoor space, enabling us to see a lot of the screen's detail, both nearby and also further away when sitting by the outdoor dining table. We do tend to push the limits of our setups though. Previously, we had the 65-inch version of the Pool Pro 2.0, which was honestly a great size too. The 65-inch Pool Pro 3.0 is down from $3,399 to $3,039 during the sale, while the Deck Pro 3.0 is down from $2,199 to $1,809. If you were to get the 75-inch model, you'd be looking at a price decrease from $4,399 to $3,999 for the Pool Pro 3.0. It's still a lot of money, but for us, it's worth it, especially since you can get it on sale and save a few $100s. If you wanted it as cheap as possible, the Deck Pro 3.0 in the 43-inch size is actually on sale for less than $1,000 right now, at $919. So there's room to work within your budget. So sales and prices aside, what is it really that makes these TVs worth having? Well, as I mentioned, they're first and foremost extremely bright, over 7 times brighter than a typical TV. This means you can easily watch it even during the brightest days, as the sun is beaming down right onto the TV without any issues. This feels like such a luxury to me, especially since I used to bring my laptop outside to watch TV shows in the summer, all while needing a towel or blanket over my head to even see the screen. Here, I just turn on the TV and it works. The other part is the weatherproofing, which we've already touched on. It doesn't matter if it's raining, the TV will still be okay. As a matter of fact, we've had our TV outside all winter through both rain and snowstorms, and out all summer in the heat, and the TV still works perfectly fine. The casing is very durable too, as we've noticed with ours, after it took a tumble in the storm, falling over our fence and into the ground, without any scratches. So basically, you can rest easy that the TV can be left outside no matter what, which means it'll always be outside and ready for you when you need it, sun or rain. Thank you again to Sylvox for sponsoring this video. Check out the description below for more info on the sale. In general though, we are so excited to spend more time out here in our new backyard, watching sports or movies on the TV while enjoying our new pool. We haven't finalized everything back here either, and we'll probably change around some furniture, add some more plants or decorations, and just overall make it more our own as we settle in. We do love these lights around the backyard though, which add a lot to the whole vibe out here and makes the space both feel bigger and cozier. We look forward to continuing to share the upgrades we make to our new house with you guys, so just know that we are working hard on both renovating the house and capturing content for you. If you like these videos, please consider giving this one a like and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Speaking of missing it, make sure to watch the walkthrough tour that we made of the house right as we moved in if you haven't yet. In it, we walk around the empty house and lay out some of our plans and also discuss the price, which I know you guys have been curious about. We also post daily short form videos here on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok at CamXPetra with a mix of the old house setups and the creation of the new setups. We also have a website at CamXPetra.com where we list all the products that we use in our setups, as well as links to all of our channels. Feel free to leave a comment down below too if there's anything specific you want to see during this transition time between the old and a new house. Would love to know your thoughts. Anyway, we will see you guys in the next video. Until then, go outside and enjoy some sun. Bye.